Hello everyone, welcome back to Insight Labs. As we have already started our new series to explore all previously asked questions from Power BI PL300 certification exam. So after completion of this particular series, you will have that understanding about how they ask question in Power BI PL300 certification exam, and you will have that confidence about how to solve those questions. So let's try to continue with our next question. To solve this particular question, they have given you the scenario. In the scenario, you have Power BI dataset containing table named as goal, and this is the schema of that particular goal table, where we have four columns. First column name as a date key, second column as a team name, third column as a player name, and fourth column which is nothing but goals. So this is the schema of that particular goal table, and you use Q&A features to answer this question. The question is nothing but how many goals were scored in the last month, and on the basis of this particular scenario, they have given you this question: which type of the visual will be generated by the Q&A features. Now, as you know, Q&A feature will help you to create or to generate visual by asking question in the natural language. So they wanted to know which type of the visual it will generate. To answer this question, they have given you the options as well. First option is nothing but card visual. Second option is nothing but smart narrative. Third option is nothing but Gantt chart. And fourth option is nothing but table chart. Now, as per the scenario, you are asked this question, that is nothing but how many goals were scored in the last month. It means that at the end it will create or it will generate one aggregated value for you. So whenever you have to display aggregated value or only single value in the report, that time you always go and always use card visual. So our correct answer will be the card visual. Now we'll try to understand why our correct answer is card visual, why not others option. Now as per the scenario, we are asked this question to the Q&A visual, that is nothing but how many goals were scored in the last month. So as per this question, we'll get one aggregated value or one single value. So whenever we have to display only single value in the visual, that time we always go and always use card visual only. So that's why our correct answer will be the card visual. Why not others option? So see here we have option as a smart narrative. Smart narrative will help you to generate text summaries and narrative explanation of your measures, whereas Gantt chart will help you to compare actual value with the target value, whereas table visual or table chart will help you to display multiple row of the detailed records. So our correct answer will be the card visual only. I hope you understand this question and scenario very well. If you have any question, any doubt related to the Power BI or related to the PL300 certification exam, you can ask that question in the chat box. If you found this video helpful, then you can check out other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you with the next question.